Hello and welcome to my Style Tiles. This is for a fitness class that is actually part of my gym. It's Team Alloy and it's actually the Mount Dora branch of my gym that's doing this. So before I get too into this, I did want to show you that I had used inspiration from the actual Alloy page. You can see from the fonts. And I did also want to pull elements from the MyFitness or Fitness CF page just to kind of keep cohesive with the two brands that I was working with. So I did a simple logo because, of course, since it's a team, they don't actually have one. This, as you can see from the main page, would also, the TMD style tiles will have larger elements later. So here's kind of what this looks like. The live link, this is actually going to usually be a light green. It's going to, of course, depend on the background that it's on because I do have dark options. So I don't know if you can see, there's kind of like my effect there for the hover on the buttons. The various colors, pattern examples. For some reason, this is not loading here. I'm not sure why that is, but I did have pattern examples and they are textures. Might just have to do with the fact that I'm trying to give a presentation because that usually happens. So here's kind of what it looks like when it goes outward. These boxes were super hard to do. I ended up trying to do I used calc for them as well as I used the calc for the width, as well as a trick that I found online, and I will be honest, I do not completely understand, that makes the width equal to the height, or the height equal to the width, and that was kind of tricky to play with, and caused me quite a bit of frustration. So this kind of just, pulls out, it'll scale out all the way, so this is what it looks like, and it'll be a little different too when I put it together, but this is just kind of my Style Tiles example and what I wanted to do. So thank you for watching my presentation, and yeah, that's all.